Dale Carnegie's "A smile costs nothing but gives much." Be more concerned with your character than with your reputation, for your character is what you are while your reputation is merely what others think you are. Fear doesn't exist anywhere except in the mind. If you want to change people, why not begin on yourself? That is a lot more profitable and a lot less dangerous. Knowledge isn't power until it is applied. Develop success from failures. Discouragement and failure are two of the surest stepping stones to success. People are not interested in you, they are not interested in me, they are interested in themselves. Morning, noon and after dinner. Of course your husband has a lot of drawbacks. If he had none he would never marry you. When fate hands you lemons, make lemonade. Criticisms are like homing pigeons, they always return home. Most of the important things in the world have been accomplished by people who have kept on trying when there seemed to be no hope at all. The desire for the feeling of importance is one of the chief distinguishing differences between mankind and the animals. The expression one wears on one's face is far more important than the clothes one wears on one's back. Success is getting what you want, happiness is wanting what you get. Listening carefully to a person is the greatest compliment we can give him. The load of tomorrow added to that of yesterday carried today makes the strongest falter. The successful man will profit from his mistakes and try again in a different way. People sometimes became villains in order to win sympathy and attention and get a feeling of importance. Do the hard jobs first, the easy jobs will take care of. The gun that scatters too much does not bag the birds. Man is not made to understand life but to live it. Smile today is the tomorrow you worried about yesterday. Always make the other person happy about doing the thing you suggest. Keep busy, it's the cheapest kind of medicine there is on this earth and one of the best. Rarely succeed unless they have fun in what they are doing. Our thoughts make us what we are to be. Interesting, be interested. One reason why birds and horses are not unhappy is because they are not trying to impress other birds and horses. Happiness doesn't depend on any external conditions, it is governed by our mental attitude. Only knowledge that is used sticks in your mind. You cannot teach a man anything, you can only help him to find it within himself. A person's name is to that person the sweetest and most important sound in any language. If you want to gather honey, don't kick over the beehive. Personally I am very fond of strawberries and cream, but I have found that for some strange reason fish prefer worms, so when I went fishing I didn't think about what I wanted, I thought about what fish wanted. By all means take thought for tomorrow, yes, careful thought and planning and preparation, but have no anxiety. Two men looked out from prison bars, one saw the mud, the other saw stars. Talk to someone about themselves and they'll listen for hours. There's only one way to get the best of an argument and that is to avoid it. Criticism is dangerous because it wounds a person's pride.